Good afternoon. My name is Brandy and this is my daughter,
Aaliyah.
and today we're going to make
Air fried Oreos. The ingredients for this recipe will be Oreos, croissant dough, and powdered sugar. What you'll need to do is lay the dough out and separate the croissant into pieces. Next, you're going to lay an Oreo in the middle of the dough. First, you're going to cover the cookie with the dough into a little ball. Once you have all your cookies rolled up, you're going to spray the pan with coconut oil. Then you place your cookies into the air fryer. Then you're going to set your air fryer at 320 for 7 minutes. Now you're going to take them out and put them onto a plate. Lastly, you're going to dust some powdered sugar and enjoy.